Welcome to GLOBALCELL.mobi. In this video, I'll show you how to buy and activate your eSIM in just a few minutes. First, go to the eSIM section and tap Buy New eSIM Plus Package. Choose the eSIM ID you like the most, then search for the country where you need internet access. In this example, Germany. You can also choose regional packages that include multiple countries in one bundle. Next, select your preferred data plan and validity period. Tap Next. Enter your email address, contact number if needed, and create your password to sign up. Tap Agree, then tap Sign Up. If you have a promo code, you can enter it here. Now choose your preferred payment method. For this example, I'll use bank card payment with Stripe. You can also pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, or Link. Enter your card details and tap Pay. Once the payment is completed, your QR code will appear on your dashboard instantly. Now let's install the eSIM on the device. Scan the QR code, tap Activate, tap Continue, and then tap Done. Turn on this line and make sure data roaming is enabled in your settings. And that's it. Your eSIM is now active and ready to use. Now let's share a mobile hotspot from the eSIM to a laptop and test the connection. Perfect. Everything is working successfully. Thank you for choosing GLOBALCELL.mobi, your trusted travel connectivity partner.